Welcome to our lecture online. Here's an interesting problem where you can have a lot of fun with your friends with. You can really amaze them. They'll wonder, how did you do that? How can that be possible? And here it is. Let's say you do the following. You pick a number between 11 and 98. So let's say the number 23. And then you ask the friends, so you tell them, pick a number and don't tell me what it is. So they'll pick some odd number. Let's say the number was 23. And then you tell them, double the number. So they'll go ahead and double the number, and that becomes 46. And then you tell them, add 4 to the number. All right, that then becomes 50. And then tell them, multiply that number by 5. So they go 50 times 5, okay, that's 250. Then tell them, add 12 to the number. All right, so we add 12 to the number, that would be 262. And then tell them, multiply that number by 10. All right, so we get 2,620. And then tell them, subtract 320 from that number. Okay, so minus 320, that becomes 2,300. And then say, divide the number by 100. In other words, get rid of the last two zeros. When you do that, and you tell them, did you get your number? The number you got now is the number you picked. And they go, that was right. How did you do that? Well, does it work for any number between 11 and 98? Let's try a different number and let's see if it works. All right, let's take the number 30. And again, we're going to double the number. That becomes 60. We're going to add 4 to the number. That gives us 64. Multiply that number by 5. So 5 times 64, that's 320. And then we're supposed to add 12 to that. That gives us 332. And then we multiply that number by 10. That gives us 3,320. And then we're supposed to subtract 320 from that, which gives us 3,000. And then we're supposed to divide that by 100, get rid of the last two zeros. And sure enough, again, you get the right number. How does that work? Well, let's try one more number. How about the number 64? So first, we're going to double the number. That's 128. Then we're going to add 4 to the number. It gives us 132. Then we're going to multiply that number by 5. So that would be, 500, 650. That would be 660. Then we're going to add 12 to the number, which is 672. Then we're going to multiply that number by 10, which is 6,720. And then we're going to subtract 320 from it, which gives us 6,400. And then again, we're going to divide by 100, which means get rid of the last two zeros. And guess what? Again, you've got the right number. Wow, that is amazing. Well, we're going to figure out how that works in the next video. But in the meanwhile, you can really surprise your friends that you can find the number they're thinking about without actually knowing what that number is. And that's how it's done.